are the 7 knots that we need to know.
You go right over left for one of the knots, then left over right for the other, then pull. It should look like 2 running parallel to each other. You bring the rope all the way around the object below your working end. The loose end then goes above the working end around the object once more. The loose end then passes underneath the overlapping line.
Start with one line in a bight. This will be the thicker diameter of the two. The small diameter line will go up through the bight. It is wrapped around and then tucked underneath itself. First, start by making an overhand loop towards the working end. The loose end is then brought through the bottom through the loop, around the working end, then back through the top of the loop.
Snake it around in your finger through the back, and then fish the bight through the loop.
We'll start by doing the round turn. The loose end is then brought underneath over the working end and through the loop that it forms. You need to do it again for the second half hitch.
Fish the non-working end through a tree. Form a loop and do 2 passes on the inside of the loop. Going in the same direction, form another loop and then pass it through.